What's up guys, so the ultimate leak regarding the Galaxy Note 10 is finally here. Yes, we've got more information on Note 10 models. Yes, models. For the first time we have more than one Galaxy Note 10 variant. Total of 4 Galaxy Note 10 models will be released. In addition to the screen size differences, which is 6.75 inches for the Galaxy Note 10 Pro and 6.3 for the Note 10e or the smaller Note 10 model. But now the battery details are leaked out as well. We have this photo. This is the first time we have a physical leak regarding the Galaxy Note 10 models. So the battery spills the bean for the Note 10 Pro. According to this, we could have a 4500 mAh cell, which is currently the largest battery size from Samsung in recent times. And what's awesome is that the smaller model has 4370 mAh battery. Both of them have bigger battery size than the Galaxy S10 Plus. That really shows that this year Samsung wants more differences between the Note and the S lineup. So other than size and battery, Ice Universe tweeted out that the Note 10 models will have the new super fast charging with 25 watts of power, something we have already seen on the Samsung Galaxy S70, which I just recently unboxed. And this one also comes with a 4500 mAh battery, but it is a mid-range, upper high mid-range kind of phone. Note will obviously going to be a complete flagship beast. But if you talk about the battery life with this 4500 cell, I'm having a great time. It is possibly the best battery life Samsung phone I have ever used right now with 25 hours of fast charging. They left it out for the Galaxy S10 models so that the Note 10 models can have it. Again, it's all to have more differences this year between the Note and S lineup, not just size and battery. Another leakster tweeted out the same thing. We might actually see some small design tweaks as well as a proper night mode to challenge the Huawei P30 Pro. So far, the current night mode just isn't on the level, so if that comes, this will be a killer camera setup. Now, one thing MMDJ tweeted out is 4K display. Now take this with a pinch of salt because you guys know every year we hear this rumor of 4K resolution display, but it never happens. Like the display gets improved, but the actual resolution remains the same. So I think the display quality is already pretty damn good with the help of the dynamic AMOLED technology, but who knows, Samsung might actually pull the bar even higher this time with a 4K resolution display on just the Note 10 Pro model. This might be the reason why we have a Note 10 Pro word with the Galaxy Note 10. This actually could be the reason, but again, it's just a rumor at this point, so we're gonna wait for more stuff. But the battery leak seems pretty legit. Battery size is getting its increase. The 5G Note 10 Pro could have even bigger battery size than its 4G counterpart. Again, let me know your thoughts regarding this in the comment section below. Also, Samsung is about to bring the fight to the chip makers. They're gonna be investing $115 billion in order to be the ultimate champ when it comes to the chip games. They're taking on the giants such as Intel, Qualcomm, Apple, Huawei, and other chipset makers to become the #1. Along with this investment, they're going to be hiring new 15,000 people in order to truly innovate with this medium. Now with this, we could expect the Exynos processor for its Galaxy phones to be even better than the ones we get with Apple. Right now, Qualcomm chips are definitely better when it comes to graphic, and Apple A series processors are currently the most powerful on a mobile platform or phones or tablet. But with this big step, we're gonna see some amazing gains for the future Galaxy S11 and Note 11 when they come out next year. Anyways, that's all the news we have regarding the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro model. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.